Sherry.
And I'm Tammy.
We're the co-founders of Embari, and today we are so excited to teach you all about the Embari Lifestyle Program. So, once you sign up for the program, first of all, you get a free month trial.
Yes.
So there's no excuse to not try it. And after that, you can decide if you want to continue on month to month. And I know you're going to love it. Give it a try.
Yeah.
Take your free month trial.
Test it out risk-free.
Yes. So what it is you're going to get exclusive access to the Embari app. And you are going to love, love, love our app because all of your fitness needs and wants are right there on the app. Right on your home screen. You're going to see your exercise log, your nutrition log, your progress photos, and your measurements right there. You're going to have 24/7 access to message an Embari trainer and macro
there's
coach.
messaging right on the app to get a hold of your coach.
Yes, 24/7 right there. And we give you access to a monthly meal plan. You're going to get a new meal plan every single month with new recipes, and your macros are already set.
Yes, literally all you have to do is pull up the day, and then all your macros are already set. You just have to log the food you're eating, and then you can check if you're on goal that day.
Yes, and our exercise library has over 200 workouts.
What is that?
200 workouts, okay? So you can switch it up, try new things, challenge yourself. There's at-home workouts, gym workouts. There's such a huge variety. You're going to love it.
Yeah, and you girls that like to work out at home, we got you. You can do tons of our workouts at home.
Yes.
And the gym, of course, you can do any of our workouts at the gym.
Yes, and also there's a huge variety of levels too.
Yeah.
Beginner, intermediate, advanced. If you are already hitting the gym hard, going heavy at the weights at the gym, we have programs for you. If you are just beginning and you want to do at-home workouts, we have those for you also. So I just love our workout guides in there.
Yes.
Okay, so, and then the mindset, we're going to have motivation and different journaling and things like that.
Yes, the things we hear the most from women, number one, I don't have any motivation.
Yes.
And
that's the number one question we get.
Yes. How do I get more motivation?
Yeah.
And that is where the Embari program pretty much sticks out among other programs. We really have fine-tuned our mindset work specifically for women and specifically for health and fitness.
Yes, and self-love also. That's a huge part of loving yourself and loving your body and doing this for you. The very first week of our program, you're going to get clear on your healthy why. You're going to create a health vision board. You're going to create a goal card, affirmations, things like that. I get so excited about it. We love it. It's helped our clients so much.
Yes.
The mindset is the most important.
And it's daily.
Hands down.
Daily.
Yes, with fitness and health. Hands down, mindset is the most important. So, along the lines with mindset and motivation, we are huge on accountability. And this leads us to what we are most excited about, which is our weekly coaching calls with our Embari babes. So every single week, you're going to be able to get on a video call with us, with one of the Embari trainers, and be held accountable.
Yeah, and with your fellow babes.
Yes, and with the other women to get on there and support each other and ask questions and to share your successes and things like that. And we're going to be able to, the Embari trainer is going to motivate you each and every time. We're going to have a topic that's going to help you and encourage you and strengthen you. And then you're also going to be able to collaborate with the other women or other Embari babes and ask questions, and every single week. So that's what I'm most excited about with the program. What about you?
Yes, super excited to get in touch with all the girls in this group program once a week. And again, don't forget that you still have constant contact through the messenger in the app. If you ever are having a bad day or something.
During the week, if you need extra help during the week.
Yeah, and if you're like, please help me stay away from this such and such.
We are there to give you that motivation and that support.
Yes.
So we're so excited for you to try the Embari Lifestyle Program, and email us with any questions or find us on Instagram. We'd love to hear from you, and we're excited for you to try it.
Yay.
Thanks.
Bye.